Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm gonna teach you how to create a hole on ceiling. Okay. So first thing you must drag the rectangle. Then this one we make it 10,000. Okay. 10,000. Okay. This one we make it 5,000. Okay. I'm gonna show you three methods to create this ceiling on this create the hole on the ceiling. Okay. You may click this one to set up. Okay, so the height I make it 3,000 now for the ceiling. So this one I must make extra I make it 4,000. Okay, so later I'm gonna create ceiling in the 3,000 level there. Okay, so there are three methods to create this called ceiling hole. Okay, three methods. The first method is we click on beta free modeling, the first method. Okay, so you may use subline. Okay, add a subline here or add a subline. First I put this one to 2,500. No, 5,000, sorry, 5,000. Oh, this one I use free modeling to create. Okay, free modeling to create. Then you add another subline, 3,000 level height. Okay, now I go up first, then look down to create a rectangle. Okay, go up first, look down, create a rectangle. Okay, by using the rectangle button. Okay, sorry, click again. Okay, 5,000. Click. Okay, then right click. So I exclude this one, make it as ceiling. Or you can use this function, then you can make a lot pattern. Okay, so I'll make it 300 for the ceiling. Then I'll just move it up. Okay, group it first. Group it first. Ctrl G, group it first. Then we move it up. Okay, I select that here, move it up. Okay, so we move it until the 3,000 ceiling layer. Okay, make sure this one point to here. Okay, after that I'm gonna create a hole. Okay, I create a hole here. You just click on this one first. Click on this one, right click. Okay, right click, exit first, use the mouse, click on here, then ungroup it first. Okay, after that you use a rectangle, create a hole. Okay, click on it, this one, exclude it. Okay, so if I'm not mistaken, my thickness is 300, so I make it 300. Okay, after that you can select the surface, delete. Okay, and you can see the area on top. So this is one of the method. Okay, you can create. Okay, one of the method you can create a hole. Another method. Okay, now I'm going to teach you another method. Okay, I'm going to put here another method. Okay, another method is this one, custom system cabinet. Okay, just drag a panel, simple as that, and create it as ceiling. Use this one, superboard. Okay, this superboard is without limit. Okay, you can change the size as you want. 5,000. Okay, this one 5,000. Enter. Okay, after that I move it. Okay, it should be fixed. Okay, then this one, the height. Okay, I change it to the thickness. I make it 300, same as the ceiling just now. Make it 300. Okay, thickness. Then the height, I move it up to 3,000. Okay, so now you see as a ceiling also. Okay, as a ceiling height. Now this one I'm gonna change the color first, or the material first. Okay, change the material to white color. Okay, white color, simply just white color. Okay, So now I'm gonna open a hole here. Okay, how to open? Simple. You may just click B. Oh, remember board selection. Select board, right click, then you go to panel point editing. Okay, very easy. Okay, so you can create a hole here. For example, I want to create a circle. Okay, this time I create a circle. Let me see circle. So save it, return. Oh, so see a circle ceiling here. Okay, so they also have another method. Oh, this is the first method. Okay, using modeling. Second method using panel. The last method, okay, may help you even faster. Go to crowd, just type skylight. Okay, so in skylight you may see this one called Skylight Lock. Just drag to the ceiling. It only can apply to the ceiling, remember. So you can see, okay, adjust it. Oh, you can do 2 floor of for the room. Okay, so you see another one. Okay, another skylight. Okay, happy trying, guys. Bye.